This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia is getting a major snowstorm on Wednesday, February the 5th, 2014. It's going to bring up to 20 plus centimeters of snow for Nova Scotia, especially in Halifax. It's going to be a lot of snow for Nova Scotia because of the low pressure system is going to track just south of Nova Scotia. It's going to bring a lot of snow in Nova Scotia on Wednesday, February the 5th, 2014. And it's going to be a lot of snow falling down, especially on Wednesday evening in Nova Scotia. It's going to be a lot of snow as well. People in Nova Scotia, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Because it's going to be a lot of snow to hit Nova Scotia on Wednesday, February the 5th, 2014. It's going to be a lot of snow. Roads will be snow covered. Highways and Trans-Canada Highway will also be snow covered in Nova Scotia as well. Especially on highways and side streets and main streets. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G and 4G internet ready. If you're driving the car, take your time, drive the car, slow down so you don't get into car accidents. Be very careful during the snowstorm on Wednesday, February the 5th, 2014. Because it's going to be a lot of snow to hit Nova Scotia, especially in Halifax as well. If you're driving the car, take your time, be very careful. Because lots of snow is going to hit Nova Scotia on Wednesday, February the 5th, 2014. Best of luck to you, people in Nova Scotia. Be prepared for snowstorm. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your salt trucks ready. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in the snowstorm. Be safe.